Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Tire Carrier for Segway Super Villain SX20. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools and let's get to the installation. Step 1. Install tire carrier bracket. Begin by removing the anchor points in the cargo area using a T40 Torx. With the anchors removed, install the two side brackets. Each bracket is designed to fit into the molded anchor locations and will reinstall using the factory anchors and hardware. Leave all hardware hand-tight at this stage. To install the center brace, use an impact driver with a 14mm socket to remove the two inner seatbelt harness anchor bolts. Once removed, carefully set the harnesses aside. Position the center brace, then begin by hand threading the seatbelt harness bolts back into place. Next, install the provided hardware into the center brace mounting points, 2 bolts on each side. Each bolt should have a washer on the back side along with a nut. Leave all hardware hand-tight until everything is properly aligned. Once all components are in place, fully tighten the hardware. The seatbelt harness bolts require a 14mm socket. The 4 center brace bolts use a 13mm socket on the bolt and a 13mm wrench on the nut. Finish by tightening all 4 cargo anchor points to complete this step. Step 2. Install tire carrier. Begin by aligning the tire carrier with the mounting brackets. Do not latch the tire carrier at this stage, as you will need to lift and adjust it to install the misalignment spacers. You may need to use a rubber mallet to help align the heim joint and misalignment spacers with the mounting holes in the bracket. Once aligned, slide the bolt through and hand thread the nut. If needed, a drift pin can be used to help line up the bolt holes. With both bolts in place, tighten the hardware using an 18mm wrench on the bolt and a 19mm wrench on the nut. Step 3. Attach the gas struts. The side brackets and tire carrier are equipped with ball studs on each side for mounting the provided gas struts. To install, simply press each end of the strut onto the ball studs until they snap securely into place. Once the gas struts are installed, the installation is complete. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.